みやこさん、メールしてますよ。
You got me singing way oh way oh oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh way oh oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh way oh.
Good morning, everybody! Yeah! Ayon, Minasan, I hope maganda ang mga gising nyo. Anyway, usually when I wake up in the morning, I first wash my face, brush my teeth, and apply some toner and moisturizer to freshen my skin. It is important, especially for us ladies, to help and keep our skin stay in good condition. So always include your skincare routine to your everyday schedule. Aside from that, I usually drink water in the morning, and this Aquarius brand is similar from Pocari and Gatorade to avoid dehydration and heat stroke, especially now in Japan. It's summer season. And now it's time to prepare breakfast. My husband prefer medium rare sunny side up egg rather than tamagoyaki, which is a famous breakfast in Japan, and it means Japanese rolled omelette. Also, he is a big fan of pure black coffee. But what do you think of adding some milk? This is peach, or they call it momo in Japanese. It's challenging to cut, but anyway, it tastes good, sweet, and one of the seasonal fruits here in Japan. It's our morning routine to eat breakfast together while watching news before we go to work. When this pandemic starts, I also had an interest in indoor or foliage plants. It started with two, which is spider plant and succulents. But now here they are, continue propagating. And anyway, after I water them, I will start to clean the house and do some chores. Since in Chiba it's always cloudy and it's windy area, there's always dust everywhere, and Japanese people are very particular in cleanliness, so I make sure and keep that their house is always clean. And each Thursday I have to collect plastic bottle and cans for waste segregation. So here in Japan, every waste has its own designated plastic with labels, and they have a specific date to collect waste or garbages in every household as well. It is apple freshener. It's good for any trash bin to avoid any unwanted smell from the garbage. and it's almost 12 noon. I just go in convenience store to check for lunch. Since I always eat lunch alone, I just usually buy some foods outside and just cook for the dinner rather. I will start to make my handmade resin accessories and stuff. Of course, practice safety measures since resin is chemical. I just started last month and sell them in Mercury, Japan. Here's some of the finished product and you can check it out in Instagram and Mercury if you have spare time. Well, as of the moment, it's just available in Japan, but when I created a lot, I will try to sell them in other online shopping sites as well. Now, it's 3 p.m. in the afternoon and time for cycling. Sometimes I jog or stroll during these hours. It's a free park for children just nearby. Anyway, that's also one of the good things here in Japan. Beaches and parks are open for free in public. Children can play or others can just sit and relax. Now it's time for shopping! It's now 5 p.m. on the clock and let's start to prepare dinner. Our menu for today is shogayaki. It means ginger pork. Shoga means ginger and yaki means grill or fry in Japanese. While waiting for shogayaki to simmer, let's make salad. Here in Japan, salad is very important. It should always include on the meal, even in bento or lunch bags in any convenience store.
みやこさん、メールしてますよ。
Tok tok tok.
はい。え？
Hello, I'm writing a note now comes with pictures to place inside Hideki's suitcase. Since he's going for another business trip for almost 3 weeks, and I'm getting used to it. He's really dedicated to work. And Minasan, let me introduce to you our very cute red-eared slider turtle that we found in Riverside last 3 months ago. His name is Taki and he loves tickle. Of course, Taki's meals first.
もう早い。
Time for skincare. By the way, I'm using the same product ever since I went here in Japan. Comment down below if you want me to share my Japan's product skincare routine. Of course, after heavy work the whole day, he deserves a massage. And it's done. Another day passed. Good night, Minasan.